Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks with an aeroplane, also known as a router plane. This versatile hand tool is essential for creating precise recesses in wood. We'll cover setting it up, making your first cuts, and achieving perfectly flat bottoms. Get ready to elevate your woodworking accuracy with this fantastic tool. First, let's get your router plane ready. Secure your workpiece tightly to prevent any shifting during the cut. Next, adjust the blade to the exact depth you need for your block or recess. Make sure the blade is sharp and correctly positioned in its clamp for clean, efficient cutting. Proper setup is key to a successful outcome. Now, let's make some cuts. Begin by taking very light, consistent passes. For wider areas, work from the edges towards the center to prevent tear out. Always push the plane smoothly, letting the blade do the work. Regularly check your depth with a ruler or depth gauge to ensure you're reaching your target precisely. Patience yields the best results. The final step is achieving a perfectly flat bottom for your block or recess. Use the plane's sole as a reference, ensuring it stays flat on the surface. Take very shallow, almost scraping passes to remove any high spots. Clean out all shavings to reveal a smooth, consistent depth. This attention to detail makes all the difference in your finished piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.